What if I told you that you're just 7 minutes away from completely shifting your energetic frequency and becoming a magnet for everything you desire? No expensive courses, no complicated rituals, just 7 powerful minutes that can transform your entire day, and eventually, your entire life. I'm going to share with you the exact technique I use every single morning, and that thousands of conscious creators around the world swear by. By the end of this video, you'll have a practical, science-backed, spiritually aligned method to raise your vibration instantly. And here's the best part. You'll feel the shift immediately. Let's dive in. Why vibration is everything. Before we get into the technique, you need to understand something fundamental. You're not attracting what you want. You're attracting what you are. Your vibration is your energetic signature. It's the frequency you're broadcasting to the universe every single second. Think of it like a radio station. If you're tuned to 95.5 FM, you can't receive the signal from 101.3 FM. It's physically impossible. The same applies to manifestation. If you're vibrating at fear, lack, and doubt, you cannot receive abundance, love, and success. They're on different frequencies. But here's the incredible news. You can change your frequency instantly. And it only takes 7 minutes. Scientists have proven that our emotional state creates measurable electromagnetic frequencies. The HeartMath Institute has shown that feelings like gratitude and love create coherent heart rhythms that literally change our biofield. This isn't woo-woo. This is quantum physics meeting ancient wisdom. So let's raise that frequency right now. The 7-minute frequency shift. Here's how it works. I'm going to walk you through each minute. You can do this along with me right now, or come back to this video every morning as you practice. Either way, these 7 minutes will become the most powerful part of your day. Minute 1, conscious breath. Resetting. Your nervous system. Your breath is the bridge between your body and your consciousness. When you control your breath, you control your state. Here's what you do. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Place one hand on your heart, one on your belly. Breathe in deeply through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 4 counts. Exhale through your mouth for 6 counts. The longer exhale activates your parasympathetic nervous system, telling your body, we are safe. We can create now. Do this for 1 full minute. Feel your shoulders drop. Feel your jaw relax. Feel yourself arriving in the present moment. This first minute is crucial because you cannot raise your vibration while your nervous system is in survival mode. We're moving from stress to peace. Minute 2, activated gratitude, shifting from lack to abundance. Now, with your eyes still closed and your breath steady, I want you to feel gratitude. Not just think it, feel it. But here's the key. Don't be vague. Be laser specific. Don't just say, I'm grateful for my family. Feel the actual memory of your child laughing. See their face. Hear the sound. Let that feeling fill your chest. Don't say, I'm grateful for my home. Feel the texture of your favorite blanket. Remember the smell of morning coffee in your kitchen. Make it real. Spend this entire minute moving through 3 specific things that genuinely make you feel abundant right now. Why does this work? Because gratitude is the fastest way to shift from lack consciousness to abundance consciousness. You cannot feel grateful and lacking at the same time. It's neurologically impossible. Your brain is now releasing dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin. Your heart coherence is increasing. Your electromagnetic field is expanding. You're raising your frequency. Minute 3, quantum visualization, collapsing the future into now. This is where we move from appreciation of what is to creation of what's coming. Keep your eyes closed. Your breath is still steady. Your body is relaxed. Now, I want you to see yourself living your desired reality, but not as a distant dream, as now. See yourself in that reality. What are you wearing? Where are you? Who's with you? What does it smell like? What sounds do you hear? Most importantly, how do you feel? Successful, peaceful, abundant, free, loved. Lock into that feeling. Let it wash over every cell in your body. This feeling is your new frequency. Here's what's happening on a quantum level. You're sending a clear signal to the field of infinite possibilities. You're saying, this is my frequency. Match me with this reality. The universe doesn't respond to what you want. It responds to what you are. And for this minute, you are that future version. Minute 4, energetic affirmations, reprogramming your subconscious. Now, we're going to speak directly to your subconscious mind. With your eyes still closed, feeling that elevated emotion from your visualization, speak these affirmations. Say them out loud if you can, or powerfully in your mind. I am a magnet for abundance. Money flows to me effortlessly. I am worthy of everything I desire. My vibration attracts my reality. I am aligned with infinite possibilities. The universe is conspiring in my favor. But here's the critical part. Don't just say the words. Feel them as truth. Your subconscious mind doesn't respond to words. It responds to the emotion behind the words. If you say, I am abundant, while feeling lack, you're sending mixed signals. But if you say, I am abundant, while genuinely feeling that expansion in your chest, you're rewriting your programming. This is neurolinguistic reprogramming meeting manifestation. Your subconscious is now being trained to look for evidence of these truths in your reality. Minute 5, energetic movement, activating your body's frequency. Now it's time to get the energy moving through your physical body. Stand up, shake out your hands, roll your shoulders, move your hips. For this entire minute, I want you to move your body with intention. You can shake, you can dance, you can do jumping jacks. It doesn't matter how you move. What matters is that you move with joy. Why? Because emotion is energy in motion. When you move your body with positive intention, you're literally circulating high-frequency energy through your system. You're breaking up stagnant energy. You're activating your lymphatic system. You're telling every cell in your body, we are alive. We are vibrant. We are ready. Ancient practices like Qigong, Kundalini, and ecstatic dance have known this for thousands of years. Your body is not separate from your manifestation. It's the vessel for it. Move for 1 full minute. Let yourself feel playful. Let yourself feel powerful. Let yourself feel free. Minute 6, clear intention. Giving the universe. It's marching orders. Now, sit back down. Place your hand on your heart. Take a deep breath. You're going to set 1 clear, specific intention for what you're calling into your life, not 10 things. 1. Why? Because clarity is magnetic. Confusion repels. When you give the universe a clear order, it can deliver. Say it in your mind or out loud. I am calling in specific thing. I am ready to receive it. I am open to how it comes. I trust the universe to deliver it in the perfect way, at the perfect time. And so it is. The key words here are ready, open, trust. You're not demanding. You're not forcing. You're allowing. This is the difference between chasing and attracting. You've raised your vibration so high that now you're simply placing your order with confidence and then letting go. Feel the certainty in your body. Feel the knowing that it's already done in the quantum field. You're just waiting for the physical reality to catch up. Minute 7, energetic seal. Anchoring this frequency into your day. This final minute is about locking in everything you just created. Take 3 deep breaths. On each exhale, imagine golden light filling your entire body, sealing this high vibration into every cell. Then create an anchor. This is a physical gesture you'll use throughout the day to come back to this frequency. It could be touching your thumb and index finger together, placing your hand over your heart, taking 3 deep breaths. Choose 1. Do it now while feeling this elevated state. From this moment forward, whenever you feel your vibration dropping throughout the day, use your anchor. Touch that spot, take that breath, and instantly your nervous system will remember this state and begin to return to it. Finally, open your eyes slowly. Say out loud or in your mind, I am vibrating at my highest frequency. I am a magnet for miracles. Today is going to be extraordinary. And just like that, you're done. What happens after these 7 minutes? Here's what you can expect when you make this a daily practice. Immediately, you'll feel lighter, more centered, more optimistic. Your energy will be noticeably different. Within days, you'll start noticing synchronicities, the right people appearing, opportunities opening, things flowing more easily. Within weeks, your external reality will begin to shift. You'll attract better opportunities, healthier relationships, and more abundance. Within months, your life will be unrecognizable. You'll look back and realize you've completely transformed your reality from the inside out. But here's the key. Consistency is everything. 7 minutes every morning. That's it. Not when you feel like it, not when you have time. Every single day. Because you're not just doing a technique. You're training your nervous system to live at a higher frequency. You're teaching your subconscious that this is your new baseline. The science behind why this works. Let me quickly explain why this isn't just spiritual theory, but backed by neuroscience. The breath work activates your vagus nerve, shifting you from fight or flight to rest and digest. The gratitude releases dopamine and serotonin, literally changing your brain chemistry. The breath breath work activates your vagus nerve, shifting you from fight or flight to rest and digest. The gratitude releases dopamine and serotonin, literally changing your brain chemistry. The visualization activates the same neural pathways as actually experiencing that reality, priming your brain to recognize opportunities. The affirmations use repetition and emotion to bypass your conscious mind and reprogram your subconscious beliefs. The movement circulates energy and activates your lymphatic system, releasing stagnant emotions. The intention focuses your reticular activating system to filter reality for what you're seeking. The anchor creates a Pavlovian response, giving you instant access to this state whenever you need it. You're literally rewiring your brain and recalibrating your electromagnetic field. Your challenge. Here's what I want you to do. Commit to these 7 minutes for the next 7 days. That's it. Just 1 week. Set your alarm 7 minutes earlier. Use this video as a guide if you need to. Do it before you check your phone, before you start your day, before you let this world's energy affect yours. 7 minutes, 7 days, and then come back and tell me what shifted. Because I promise you, if you commit to raising your vibration every single morning, your reality will have no choice but to rise with you. Remember, you don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. So who are you going to be today? This is Beyond Money, where we raise our frequency, align with abundance, and create from consciousness. Now go manifest your extraordinary life.